Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 1st of October. Yes, we are in October. Friday the 1st of October 2021. And we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. For all those children who've been working super hard this week and earned themselves a golden ticket. But as you'll see again this week, lots of these children have been working so hard since the beginning of September. So it's not just this week, they are working hard all throughout these 4 weeks, so really well done. We're going to kick off this morning in year 3, so let's have a look in year 3. We have, look, Spinner says, this week's golden ticket winner is very hardworking, always making the right choices with a great sense of humour. This child always helps others and is a real credit to the class. She really is, all the time, being super helpful. Goes to none other than Daria. There she is, look at that. Well done, Daria. Really well done. So proud of you. I know you're going to get a massive cheer in class now. Keep being super helpful and with that amazing sense of humour as well. So really well done, Hannah. Well deserved. Next, we have Mrs. George. This week's winner has made a fantastic start to Mile Cross. She's worked really hard, especially in history, which she loves. So she's just started in Mile Cross, bit of a clue there. She's been reading and completing a chapter book every 2 days. Bonkers, amazing reading, absolutely. Golden ticket goes none other than Nala. There she is. Well done, Nala. What a fantastic start to Mile Cross Primary School. You absolute superstar. Well done on earning your first golden ticket. I'm sure this is the first of many. So really well done. Keep up the amazing work and keep up that amazing reading. It's phenomenal. Well done. Superstar. Next, we have Miss Barrett says this child has had an amazing start to year 4. They endeavour to succeed at every task and to continue to contribute to every lesson. I love watching this child learn because their face lights up when they're excited by it or interested in something. They also love sharing facts about animals and other living things with us, which links brilliantly with our science this term. Well done. They're a great listener to both me and their classmates and an absolute pleasure to teach. Well done for always trying your best, no matter what. Absolutely. Golden ticket goes none other than Joseph. Here he is. Well done, Joseph. What an absolute superstar. You really are, buddy. Really well deserved. I know Mum and Dad are going to be so chuffed, and so is your sister. So well deserved. And everyone in class should be cheering you now as well. So well done, Joseph. Brilliant. Enjoy taking this home today. Well done. Next. Miss White said this person sets a shining example to others. They work hard, share the load and always try the best. Sharing the load, that's exactly it, helping out. Just makes our jobs easier, so well done. Whenever we look their way, we can trust them to be making the right choices. We certainly can. Well done to Milana, there she is, Milana, in she comes. Well done, Milana, you absolute superstar. Well done for being such an amazing girl. Congrats, I know your brother, I know he's at high school now, but I'm sure he'll be really proud of you. So will Mum and Dad, so well done. And I know everyone's going to be clapping you now, so well done. Thank you. Next, we have Miss Arthurton says this week our golden ticket goes to someone who's enthusiastic and always eager and willing to share their ideas. Every day the class is brightened up with their beaming smile. It certainly is, it makes me smile. They put 100% into everything they do in the classroom and work just as hard at home too, which is amazing. Well done. They are always ready to help their friends out and all the adults too. This person is a great role model and a pleasure to have in class and brilliant because that's all we want, a superstar Mile Cross Primary School pupil for others to copy. Golden ticket goes none other than Mia. There she is. Well done, Mia, you absolute superstar. Beautiful smile there, really well done. Thank you so much. Just keep being that child because others will copy you and who knows, it could be them winning the golden ticket. But I'm really proud of you, so well done. Massive cheer for you, I know now in class. Moving on, Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket this week goes to someone who never fails to work their hardest at all times. They always listen intently and follow all instructions, meaning they produce excellent work in all lessons. In all lessons, it's amazing. They also work just as hard at home. Although they are a quieter member of the class, even in a short time, they have made a real effort to get involved in all lessons and share their ideas confidently. Already I'm grateful for their helpfulness, look at that, grateful, around the classroom, and I appreciate their good sense of humour. Amazing. Golden ticket goes to Amelia. There she is, look at that. Well done, Amelia, you absolute superstar. That just sums you up perfectly, really. Keep up all that hard work, both at school and at home. Huge congrats. I know everyone's going to be cheering you now. Come on, everyone, give her a massive round of applause. Well done, Amelia, you superstar. Proud of you. Move on to year 6. So in year 6, Miss Percy says, the golden ticket winner 60B has impressed the year 6 team immensely this week. They love to help others, extremely friendly and always full of energy. They certainly are. They have in the past been guilty of allowing their desire to help to disrupt their own learning, which is fair to say. okay? Because actually they need to be getting on with theirs, but they really are that helpful. However, this year, their independent focus and application has been fantastic. In maths, they've consistently strived to exceed expectations, while their effort in other subjects has also been noticed. A fantastic start to Year 6, which we are sure they will continue. I am as well. Golden ticket goes to William! There he is. Well done, William. Massive smiley face. Well done, buddy. Hey, everyone is going to be cheering because you are such a lovely boy. You're very kind and friendly. You've got loads of friends, I know. So, well done. I'm proud of you. And I know your brother will be as well as mum and dad. Congratulations. Finally, Mr. Davison says, the Golden Ticket wins 6RD this week is an absolute pleasure to work with every day. Not only do they embrace learning, regularly ask inquisitive questions, always strive to produce excellent work, they're incredibly kind and helpful, recognising the value in strong friendships and plenty of laughter. Indeed. In lessons, this child's attention to detail ensures they achieve huge successes, and at times they've even been heard noting when they have used a toolkit feature, which is around the classroom, well done, to enhance their writing. Amazing indeed. It's brilliant from a Year 6. Well done. It's just making me smile. This accolade is richly deserved. It really is. Golden ticket goes to Joshua. There he is. Look at that. Well done, Joshua. You're an absolute superstar. Really well done. Keep up the amazing work. You're an amazing Year 6. I'm so proud of you. Everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer as well because you're such a lovely boy. So well done and congratulations. There it is. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And that's throughout school as well. Whether you won the Golden Ticket or not, it has been a fantastic effort throughout this week and actually these 4 weeks. So well done, everyone. And let's keep it up. Right, this weekend, look, here we go. Help to make dinner. Come on, you guys. You're all in Key Stage 2 now. Let's help out at home. Let's make dinner, okay? Let's do our little bit at home for this weekend. Make the weekend a little bit smooth. And just ask to help out making dinner, whatever that might be. Peeling carrots, peeling potatoes, chopping up things, stirring pots, whatever that is. Let's help out and make dinner, okay? Also there, look, make a Lego tower. So, we're all getting quite tall now, especially some of those Year 5s and 6s. Let's see if you can build a Lego tower as tall as you. See if we can see some pictures on there, whether that's Class Dojo or Show Me, wherever that is. Let's get some pictures of some Lego towers, okay? And then finally, obviously, just for the parents, then tidy the Lego away afterwards. So once we've done that, make sure we tidy that Lego up because there'll be Lego everywhere, I know, okay? So please do that, okay? Until next week, everyone, have a fantastic weekend and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.